I'm the sort of person that comes down to the fish markets or go to the fruit and veg guys or the butchers or the fish guy. I don't ever come down with a preconceived idea of what I actually want to cook. It's all about coming down, having a look, asking the guys, and working out what is good on the day. So it's all about just off the cuff, grabbing some stuff. My biggest issue at work for 25, 30 years has always been who's left the cool room door open. Because it's all about keeping things at that constant temperature, and it's so important. And the great thing about the door and door is that when you do open, you're only opening the side panel, and you're not getting that flush of hot air. A couple of knobs of butter. I'm a produce-driven chef. I like to keep things as fresh as I possibly can. I think what LG have done, they've just tapped into a point, and I think that's a progression that will go even further. And mussels to me are one of the easiest things in the world to cook. Some chilli, some bay leaves, some thyme, a couple of cloves of garlic on top of your mussels. Some oil in the pot. Mussels in. White wine. Onion. Separate compartments, keeping different things. As a chef, as a restaurateur, that's what's important. I think the technology and the innovation is incredible, because who I am and what I am is all about produce, and always will be.